Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Target World Land. Tim Landis coming at you from the Rustic Outlaw Guitar Studio in Phoenix, Arizona. Here with working on the new guitar for Kimmy McDaniels from Two in the Chest for their new record coming out in July. So we got this beauty all stand up. Got it aged and weathered. Next step on this is to put the finish on it. So we're going with Tru-Oil, which is typically what we do here at Two in the Chest. Again, we don't go for that high gloss finish. We go for a rustic outlaw guitar finish. So I want to show you, not going to show you the whole staining process, obviously, the finishing process, but we'll do a couple spots for you so you can see. You can see how this will pop when we put the Tru-Oil on it. And we usually do about 12 coats of Tru-Oil. This also helps blend in the aging and the black stain we use to age it. Not too worried about this headstock because this headstock is going to get a covering on it. So next step, I'm going to bring you over here and we're going to do the body. You can see right there we have the body in place. You can see it. Maybe we'll go from this side. There we go. That's a much better look. And we're going to start throwing some Tru-Oil on the body. And look at how that green's going to pop on this. Oh, it's going to be beautiful. Make sure you wipe your edges so you don't want any run over. Look at how beautiful that looks. Wow, is that gorgeous? You know what, this dry in really good. First tip gonna go on pretty heavy. Let you in now. There you go. It's already soaking in and drying into that grain. So we're gonna let this set up. I'm gonna do the sides and the front and the back side. And we'll do 12 of these coats and we'll see how it looks. Thanks everyone for watching. Again, this is Tim from Rustic Outlaw Guitars and Two in the Chest. Peace.